Well, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video it's gonna be all about betel nut. So there's a lot of mosquitoes. I'm just gonna show you how to eat a betel nut. I bought this betel nut for 10 rupees, so I'm just gonna eat it and show you guys how I normally, consume my betel nut. So I'm just gonna take this out and show you guys how to eat a betel nut. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you now. Okay, this is a leaf. I'm just gonna take it out and show it to you. So this is the betel leaf. It grows in a vine. So I'm just gonna put this aside for a while. I'm just gonna try and get the nut. This is a piece of the nuts. It's raw. It's not dried. They just peel the skin off and then they clean it. So I'm just gonna put this in my mouth. And then I'm just gonna chew it. I normally eat 2 pieces because I got a really big mouth. So I'm just gonna show you. Oh my god. There are too many mosquitoes. No, that's the lime. So this is too much, so I'm gonna scrape some of it away. Yeah. I'm gonna eat the leaf now.
I just chew and chew.
I'm gonna eat more of the leaf because I had 2 pieces of the nut, so I'm gonna save this for later. After a moment, my mouth's gonna be red, as if I'm a vampire. I'm just gonna chew. Look at my lips. It's starting to get red. So I'm just gonna spit. Get it? It's wet. I'm gonna spit that for about 2 to 3 times. It's good. It's still quite a little bit bitter, so I'm just gonna have some more of the lime. Just lick it with your tongue, just a little bit. There you go. I'm gonna give you a tour of my betel nut farm. So I just want to show you how we normally consume betel nut here. So I haven't swallowed the saliva, so I spit it out once, so I'm just gonna spit it out again. It's all wet. I think I'm getting high. Yeah, definitely. So I'm just gonna throw this away. Yes, I've had enough. So I'm just gonna wait and spit it again. Look at those. It's all betelnut trees. Just chew and chew and chew. Oh, there are too many mosquitoes. I thought I'm gonna be the vampire, but yeah. So I'm just gonna spit it again. Now I'm gonna show you my mouth. Look at my tongue.
I know it might look disgusting for some people, but yeah, that's if you are a regular like betelnut consumer, you know, you have to take proper care of your oral hygiene. You know, you have to brush it twice or thrice in a day, at least if you're going out, and you know, you have to see people. So you just have to be.
It's kind of awkward, you know. You have red lips and red tongue, red teeth, so it's I'm sweating. I'm just gonna rub my sweat off. Okay, so yeah, I think that's about it. So I'm just gonna switch the camera now. I'm gonna show you the farm. Okay, let's get started.